guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make some more composition notebooks. So I picked up some composition notebooks like this from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up some it is the peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree, along with some labels from Dollar Tree. Put them all together and you get some customized notebooks. Basically what I did was I took the peel and stick wallpaper and I wrapped the whole composition notebook with it, and then added the labels right to the front. Okay. These are super cute. This project is for people who may not be able to work Canva, don't have a printer, don't have a cutting machine, none of those things, but still want something cute and customized. You can definitely walk right into a Dollar Tree or go onto the Dollar Tree website, grab just a handful of supplies, and make some cute notebooks as well. And what I like about these ones is that the binding is completely covered as well. So we made a notebook going all the way around, and you guys, like I said, it was one of these Pen and Gear composition notebooks from Dollar Tree. Okay, this is what we're doing today, guys. I'm definitely excited, so definitely stick around for that. All right, you guys, let's start off by talking about materials. So I wanted to show you up close. This was the one that I made for Instagram. This was the pattern that I used. Let me turn that off so you guys can see. And again, this pattern is it's a wallpaper from Dollar Tree. It's a peel and stick removable. It's the peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree. They have a whole bunch of different designs. This is the one we're going to use today. This is the one I put on this one for Instagram. And what I like about this is that you can cover even the binder part here, right? Whereas on the other ones we stopped where the black liner was. With these, you're really like being able to cover the entire booklet. And then the label here came from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, these labels here, they have these ones and they have ones like this. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay, I also got the composition book from Dollar Tree as well. It's the Pen and Gear. They fit cover to cover on the whole thing. If you're gonna use a different brand that's not at Dollar Tree, I would just measure it to make sure that it fits. Granted, if it doesn't fit all the way around, you could absolutely put it on the front like this to the edge like we have been doing with the other ones, and then cut it and then do the same thing to the back to where you're not bringing it around if it doesn't fit. But the compositions notebooks that I got from Dollar Tree do fit all the way around with one sheet. Okay, let me turn this back on. Let's go ahead and so they have, it says right here, crack and peel here. You guys, I'm sorry if my exposure is weird today. It says crack and peel right here. It's like a perforated line. You're gonna peel this part off first. Try not to bend yours up. I did bend mine in the bag, but it's okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the book and I'm just going to kind of line it up, starting on this corner. And because I folded my paper, I have to just kind of make sure when I lay it down, it's laid down, not on the folded part like weird, because like I said, I folded my wallpaper by accident. So try not to fold yours when you purchase it, okay? Okay. I'm going to turn it over. And before I peel the other part, I'm just going to take my squeegee and make sure that this part is nice and straight. Okay. this seems to be okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel the rest of the paper off. And we'll just work it down. Alright, and you're going to make sure you take your squeegee and go ahead and work it on down. Making sure you don't get any bubbles. Sorry if I'm not on camera. Making sure you're not getting any bubbles. Just keep working it down. Alright. And make sure it's nice and pushed on the binder. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is you can take an X-Acto knife. My X-Acto knife is not that sharp anymore and I need a new one. So I have a box cutter here. You need something really sharp. It makes it easier. It makes it so that your edges are nice and clean. And then also use a cutting mat, self-adhesive cutting mat as well. And I'm just trimming around, trimming around. I don't have a template or anything for this. I mean, I guess if you wanted to make a template, you could and cut the peel and stick paper so you don't have to trim it. But I wanted this project to kind of be for those who may not have access to any of these materials, like a cutting machine, things of that nature. So I thought this was a super cute project. And then you can, you know, take your kids to Dollar Tree and let them pick out their own wallpaper if they want to. And if you want to sell these as well, I mean, the profit margin is definitely larger because the paper and the notebook, I mean, the notebook was what, 50 cents, if that, at Dollar Tree. And I think this paper was $1, if that. Okay, I got a little rough around the edge right here, but that's okay. That looks so stinking cute. Okay. Yeah, I think I messed up my binding when I put it on here. I think I folded it a little too tight. You know what I need? Just a little bit of super glue. So what I did was I made it just a little too tight and I kind of pulled my pages away from my binding. So when you're doing that, just make sure when you're folding it or when you're doing this, you're not doing it too tight. That's what I did. Okay. But that is super cute. And then to be able to write your name on it, just take one of the labels here You know what? No, I wanted to do gold. I did not want to do blue. I wanted the gold one. How cute is that? How cute is that? So stinking cute. Okay. Yeah, this is a super quick video. I hope I gave you some ideas, something to think about. Run to your Dollar Tree. But that's all I have for this video, guys. I'm gonna make sure I link everything down below, but like I said, you can run to your local Dollar Tree and pick it up. I think I'll go to Dollar Tree's website and try to link the stuff that I grabbed. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye.